Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite students to Google Classroom step by step. Inviting students allows them to join your class and access assignments, announcements, and learning materials. So let's get started. First, open Google Classroom and select the class you want students to join. Next, click on the People tab at the top of the page. Under the Students section, click the Invite Students icon. A search box will appear. Enter the email addresses of the students you want to invite. As you type, Google Classroom may suggest contacts from your organization. Select the students and click Invite. The students will receive an email invitation to join the class. You can also share the class code found on the class homepage. Students can enter this code to join the class themselves. Once students accept the invitation or use the class code, they'll appear in the students list. And that's it. You've successfully invited students to Google Classroom. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Classroom tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.